let me introduce MD Saidur Rahman Kohinoor. MD Saidur Rahman Kohinoor is a senior lecturer in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at Leading University, Sylhet, Bangladesh, with prior roles as a research associate and lecturer at Daffodil International University, Dhaka, Bangladesh. He is a promising young researcher focused on applied machine learning, especially in the areas of healthcare and communications, as well as mobile sensing, context-aware computing, intelligent systems, information and knowledge management, and bioinformatics. He is also serving as the principal investigator at InteX Research Lab, where he leads a team of 34 research enthusiasts exploring innovative solutions. Driven by a commitment to excellence, he has received several research grants from reputed organizations, including the British Council and the Centre for Research, Innovative Studies and Planning, CRISP. He was honored as a Richard E. Merwin Scholar from the IEEE Computer Society, USA in 2018 by recognizing his community-driven contribution. He loves to work on the motto advancing technology for humanity. Now I am asking our honorable guest of honor, MD Saidur Rahman Kohinoor, to say a few words.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ashikquer Rahman, for giving me to take the floor. Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests and participants. Good morning, afternoon, good evening to each and every one of you, wherever you may be joining us from. Today we gather here with enthusiasm and commitment from around 17 different countries, I guess, and more than 68 participants for this nice initiative taken by the Be Researcher World Forum, BRWF. It proves a true testament to our shared dedication to research and knowledge. The workshop step-by-step research article preparation using AI tools is not just another event. It's a culmination of our dedication to fostering academic excellence. So in the era of artificial intelligence, where technology intervenes with academia, we all cannot overlook its impact on research, especially in the realm of article writing. So as such, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our distinguished facilitator, Dr. Rabia Tabassum, for her expertise in molecular biology and taking this nice session. Thank you, Doctor, for your enlightening session. I firmly believe the audience took a lot of notes for further utilization from the last few hours. Interestingly, I observed throughout the session, participants always above 50 among 68. It's really appreciating in terms of online session. So let me thank our amazing participants for their patience and active involvement in the workshop. So in closing, I would like to acknowledge Mr. MD Sabir Hossain, the visionary leader of BRWF, for initiating this valuable workshop. Despite his unavoidable absence, we recognize and appreciate his significant contribution. I also extend my thanks to all the organizers whose efforts have contributed to the success of this event. The Be Researcher World Forum is committed to providing an open platform for research enthusiasts globally. I encourage each participant to explore the wealth of lectures and tutorials on research, paper writing, publication, and higher studies available on our YouTube channels. Also, many of you asked regarding the slides. Hopefully, we'll give the slides in your emails. Keep your eyes on our LinkedIn page and social medias. And also the record will be provided in our YouTube channel. So who have missed the session for internet or others problems, you can check the video later. So thank you all for being a part of this global initiative. Together, let us pave the way for a future enriched by knowledge, collaboration, and innovation. So Best wishes to all of you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for your constructive opinion.